Hello, welcome to IAS Baba. I will guide you through all the process of login and explain the features of new Learn portal launched by IAS Baba for this year's preparations. You will receive a mail from us when the account gets activated with the credentials like username, password, and the link to login. Once you follow that link, you will be taken to this page. You have to enter your email address registered and the password that we have sent you on your mail ID. Then you have to click on Account Sign In. You will see this page. Important notifications are put up right here at the top, followed by all the features and modules available on the portal. Classes is specific to ECLP program. Mains test series is also specific to ECLP program as of now. Calendar is where we deploy all our schedules and inform about our future classes, doubts clarification sessions, etc. Prelims test is where you can access all the preliminary tests available to you. Babapedia is where you can access Babapedia of both prelims and mainspedia. The videos are specific to ILP program, where you can access all the program related videos. Peer discussions is where the people can group together and discuss their topic like searching a study partner, clear the doubts among the peer itself. Here, the admin or IAS Baba won't interfere. Value added notes is where the notes are uploaded related to the course or program. Mind map will be listed here. Abhivyakti is a doubt discussion forum where you can ask doubts related to a particular topic. Book list is a list of study materials required for your preparation. Must read, where terms and conditions and few tips are given for you to properly utilize the platform. Important updates is where we consolidate all the important details that you would be looking for. Mains answer writing is for ILP, wherein we post regular questions to practice mains answer writing. Here, no evaluations is done. Your profile is where you can update your profile like your password and your display name. Now, let's get on to the next slide. First, I will explain about ECLP program. Then, we will move on to ILP. The first thing we see on the left is classes. Once we click on classes, all the details of the classes for a particular course will be displayed here. Subject will be displayed here, followed by date and then actions. You can click on the view axis, view class. It will show you the introductions of that particular class. What will be taught in that particular class will be followed by the video about the class. You can adjust the speed and the quality of the video. Download is where particular handouts, vans, notes will be uploaded for you to easily access and download. Prelims quiz is where we post questions related to the session for you to assess yourself, your learnings and understandings. For example, this is a sample where if you can click on the start button, you can see the question followed by multiple options. Once you choose any option, it will display whether your option is correct or wrong by marking red for wrong answer and green for correct answer. You can click on next and repeat the steps. Since this answer was right, it has marked green. And as you can see below, solutions are also mentioned. Let's repeat once again. At the end, it will show you the result of quiz taken and number of questions the quiz contains. Moving to the next tab, which is answer writing practice. This is also related to the particular session like prelims quiz, but the questions will be displayed here, and once you're ready with your answer, then you can click on the tab New Answer. Here, you can either type your own answer or upload the answer images by clicking the upload icon. Then click Submit, which is on right bottom. Now let's go to the Doubts tab. You can click on the button Ask Doubts on right top to ask any doubts regarding the session. Either the peers themselves can clarify their doubts or IAS Baba will pitch in and clarify your doubts. Next is the feedback, where we collect your feedback about the session. You can rate on the scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is being the best with regards to these 3 parameters, and the fourth one is the space for you to mention your suggestions, feedback, any comments regarding the class. This can be posted here. This will remain anonymous, which will help us in assessing the class and improving better. This completes the introduction to the class module. Coming back to the mains test, on left, we will have a fortnightly test as per the schedule. This is where the title of the test will be shown. The date for timely evaluation is mentioned, and you can view the test by clicking here. The guidelines are listed for that particular test here. Maximum marks will be decided by IAS Baba. Generally, it will be 250 marks. The answer booklet can be downloaded by clicking here. The questions only file can be downloaded by clicking here. You can upload your answer by dragging and dropping your file here, or you can click this to upload your answer script. Once you upload your answer paper, you can write your feedback or comment with regards to this particular mains test. And then you can click Submit. Your answer for the test will be captured. Once again, if you click on Open Test, your answer, comments, feedback will be shown here. If you want to edit your answer, then you can do it by again dropping the file or uploading. You can also edit your comment or feedback. This will not be possible if your answer scripts are evaluated. That we will show you in a while. Once the evaluator submits, you will receive a notification that the evaluation has been updated. And once you click on that notification, it will be shown here. The evaluator's response, his comments and findings, the marks obtained, and the evaluated copy can be downloaded here. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next part, which is calendar. Coming back to the calendar, this is where all the listings will be shown. For example, on 28th of August, we have a doubts clearance session starting from 10 a.m. If you want to see the complete actions of a particular day, it will be listed here from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The topic will also be listed here. Similarly, other options or intimations like adding of classes, mains test will be added here, and doubts clearance sessions will be displayed here. This also helps you in managing your schedule. Next is Babapedia. This is Babapedia. Once you click on that, you will be taken to this Babapedia portal where you can access Prelims and Mainspedia. In Prelimspedia, if you want to search for the topics of current affairs under Science and Technology, you can click here. Similarly, you can narrow down your search to emerging technology, defense by clicking on that particular topics. Once this is done, for example, you search on Indian Coast Guard, you can click here. Everything will be listed like this. Space related examples right here. You can search year-wise topics also. Below it is arranged in alphabetical order. Going to Mainspedia, for example, we have GS4 Ethics. You have examples, definition and case studies. This can be accessed here. Coming back to the Learn platform, let's go to the Prelims Test section. Click on Learn, then click on the particular program which you belong to. Select Test. Start writing the exam after selecting your preferred language. Back to Value Added Notes. Here you can access all the value added notes. This is for ILP program. Videos as well for ILP program. In articles, we announce updates like WAN or given updates, etc. Mind maps is where both Hindi and English language mind maps are available. If you are under Hindi program, you will be able to access Hindi. If you are under English program, you will be able to access the English one. Next is book list, wherein all the books required will be listed here. And the forums like mains, answer writing, etc. will be listed like this. You can click on any of the topics to access it. For example, this is for Hindi mains answer writing, Module 1, Day 8. Question and day will be listed here. You can either write your answer and upload by clicking this answer, or you can type the answer, then click Submit Answer once it's done. Your answer will be captured, and if you would like to go through others' answers, then click on Questions like this. And you can reply in the comment section. If you find anyone's answer to be good, then you can upnote or downnote. You can also reply on the comment like this. Same steps can be followed to write mains answer writing and Abhivakti as well. This is for doubts discussion. You can ask all the doubts for that particular topic here. For example, this is for Module 1, Environment, Science and Ethics. Going to peer discussions. Here you can search for discussions at the top. If you want to add a new discussion, click on Add New. Then enter the appropriate title and the content. You can also choose the category here. Click on Submit the question. Once done, it will be displayed like this. For example, here you can reply to this conversation, then click on Submit Reply. You can sort by latest or oldest replies. Announcement is where we update the important updates here. And this is where our notifications are displayed as in when we add new details or if somebody replies to your comments or doubts, etc. For example, the mains evaluation, the new classes, doubts clarification sessions, all will be listed here. Profile and account, where you can update your display name. Profile pictures can also be uploaded here. New password can also be set. After utilizing the platform, you can log out from here. And if you ever forget your password, you can reset by clicking the reset button and then enter your username or email, and we will mail you the reset password link along with instructions. Thank you for watching. If you still have any doubts, please mail us on support@isbaba.com.